I'm here to tell you to start small and keep going. What are you waiting for? Just follow your passion already. Hey, my name is Jacob and as you can see, I'm not a professional. In fact, I'm really far from it, and by far I mean 5, that's not clear already. But what matters is that I'm showing up, you know. As you can see, it's not, my videos aren't too good, you know. I don't follow a script and yeah, I'm not used to making videos consistently, you know, so I might feel a bit shy. But what matters is that I show up, you know. It's nice that you have dreams, but if you won't take action, you won't get anywhere, you know. Let's say that you want to be an artist and you want to draw art or whatever, you know. It's nice that you want to be an artist, but if you won't draw a lot of pictures and draw them even while knowing that they suck, you won't get anywhere, you know. That's the only way. And let me tell you something. Your first work, your first pieces of art will be horrible. They will suck. I'm sorry, I just have to put it out there, you know, so. If you want to get better, you have to get through with those horrible art pieces. That's the only way, you know. Your first work will suck, and being horrible at something is the first step to being good at something, so be proud of yourself. I know that it can be hard, but hey, you are showing up, you know, just like me. My videos, they will kind of suck, you know, especially my first videos, but I can already tell you that the videos I make now are better than my first videos, you know, way better, you know, so that's neat. In photography, there's this famous quote. The quote goes along these lines. Your first 10,000 photos will suck. And that's a fact, you know. Well, what can you do to get better? You have to shoot those 10,000 horrible photos to get better. If you won't shoot them, guess what? You will suck, you know. You will even suck more than you would suck normally, you know, since while you might be taking photos and be horrible at it, you are still doing way better than someone who isn't doing anything and hasn't started yet, you know. You might not be far on your journey, but I decided to live life and not merely exist, you know. I want to change this world and make it a better place. I don't know why you might want to take photos, start drawing, or let's say get better at playing football. I don't know, but think of it, okay? Close your eyes. No peeking, okay? Come on, close your eyes. I will do it with you. And imagine, and just think about the reason why you want to get better at what you want to get better, you know. Just think. Are you done? Cool, now open your eyes and welcome back. I'm sorry, okay, but I swear my videos will get better. I'm showing up and I'm here, you know. This video might not get a lot of views, but hey, you from the future, if you are watching this video when I already make it big, when I already made it big, cheers to you. So yeah, you know, YouTube is something which I hold dear to me, you know, content creation as a whole. I would love to get better at that craft and meet like-minded people. And I'm sure that I will make it big, and so do you. So will you. All you have to do is to show up every day and give it all you got. It might seem like a lot, but you can get started by only as little as 5 minutes a day. You might think like, oh, just 5 minutes? That's nowhere near enough. It might seem like it, but 5 minutes is way more than 0 minutes, you know, than not a single second. And now combine that. Let's say you will work for 5 minutes every single day for a week. That's 7 times 5, which is 35. 35 minutes a week. Now you can multiply that by 4 and you will get an even bigger number. I could actually calculate it. Well, maths is not my thing. Well, anyway, I might keep this keep it authentic, you know, and show you that I was a beginner myself, and if you're watching this when I don't even have like 20 subs, then yeah, I'm still a beginner, and the thing is that I will be a beginner even when I will have, let's say, 10 million subs, you know, since there will always be something to learn, you know, something to improve. The more you know, the less you know, the more you know, the more you know that you don't know. I know that it sounds cliche, but it's like that. Anyway, I'm glad that you decided to watch this video and watch it till the end. I'm proud of you, okay, since I don't know how hard it must have been watching early videos such as this one, you know, which isn't very professional or well made, but hey, it might have given you an insight of who I am, which I don't know whether I want to do that, as I am an extremely private person. Yay! Well, anyway, I guess that you deserve it to know myself a bit more if you watched this video till this far. Yeah, you deserve it, I'm sorry. Here you go. Anyway, thank you for watching this video this far. Be free to like, subscribe and write a comment, and I will see you in the next one. See ya!